Want to learn more about the life of a social worker and the work they do? A social worker can work with everyone, adults, children and families. Social workers work in different settings: local authorities, community teams, hospitals, third sector organisations and the private sector. They also work alongside health providers, health visitors, nurses and GPs, emergency and social services like police, probation officers and youth offending teams, domestic abuse services and drug and alcohol support. Community services such as psychiatrists, psychologists, community mental health nurses to occupational therapists. Schools, children and family care initiatives such as Flying Start, Action for Children and Home Start. Volunteer agencies and advocates including helping refugees and asylum seekers. Care experienced children as well as working directly with foster workers and adopters. Whoever they work with, they make decisions together, aiming to empower and support in whatever capacity they can. Social work requires a variety of skills, including a high level of professionalism with good time management and effective communication. They also need high resilience, patience, flexibility, empathy, compassion, and a commitment to keep learning. Be the difference. Become a social worker.